In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set your ads account or ads manager so that it does not show to your own employee. So of course, there's some caveat into this. I'm going to show it to you inside my computer later. But before I continue, if you are new to this channel, do subscribe to this channel so that you can get more Facebook ads tips like this. Without further ado, let's jump into my computer and let me show you how you can make sure your ads doesn't show to your employee. Let's go. First of all, open up your ads manager. So of course, again, all these things you can limit in your campaign, ad set, everything else. But I just want to limit all this in the whole ad account, make it easier, right? So all you have to do is just go to the advertising settings, just at the left side. When you go there, the menu will appear. Click on audience control, and then you can see here, show more options. Click on that. Then you can see here, my business doesn't show ads to its employee. Alright, click on tick, and then you can see here, exclude your own employee. You can exclude people based on their employer, but this is based on the current workplace they provided on their profile. So they have to put in, I'm working in this company, so they have to put in their company details here. If not, you cannot find. And this usually apply for bigger companies. They'll be proud to put they are working in this company, right? So that's why they put it there. So again, it depends whether they can find it or not. If your employees doesn't put your company name inside their Facebook profile, then you won't be able to do it. So for example, let's take a big company, a bank. For example, a big bank. Let's take HSBC. Okay, so HSBC Bank, once you put this, click on review changes, and then you can see here, your ads shouldn't be shown to employees of HSBC Bank. So that is if you want to exclude employees from this bank. Okay, so you can see there's the other potential use of this. For example, you do not want them to show to certain people for certain places, you can do that, right? So yeah, so that's how you can do this in a way so that your business don't show the ads to your employee. Hope this is helpful for you. If you like what I share, give me a like and subscribe to this channel so that you can get more tips like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you next time. Goodbye.